your one-stop solution for making kids future-ready. You know the most worrisome thing about being a parent? It is the question, what could make my kids future-ready? Isn't it? Parents spend most of their time understanding the need of their kids and want them to be able to face anything that comes their way. But don't worry, we at LogiQminds have the efficient solution for your kids that ensures them to be future-ready. Are you wondering what that is? Right. Let me help you. To be future-ready means to be able to face the challenges that comes one's way. And to be able to face these challenges, kids need to master skills that ensure success. And at LogiQminds we offer these skills through our programs. Let's know what these programs are. Robotics, English language and arts, programming, entrepreneurship, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, game design, 3D printing, presentation and communication, and many more. If you are wondering how your kids can master these skills, LogiQminds can be the one-stop solution. Here experts customize the programs that is based on your child's needs and your concerns. So what are you waiting for? Connect with experts at LogiQminds now and get a chance to make your kids future ready.